All right, guys, back with another one. 1992 Chevy 1500. She ain't pretty, but she's cheap. This is a good starter truck for somebody. If you don't want to spend 15, 20 grand, trucks are getting more expensive. This is a good starter one. Body's pretty good. Obviously needs paint. It's a solid truck though. This one is a V6. It's a remanufactured engine with a 3-year warranty. Super nice. This engine only has 50 miles on it since they put it in. So it starts right up. It's a good truck for your kid, yourself. You just want something for work, or you want something that you can fix up. It's got, the bones are there. It's not perfect, like I said, but also we're not asking a bunch of money. This thing's $6,800. This thing will take you anywhere. It's a little bit better on gas because it's not a V8. If you got some money, you just want like a solid chassis right here, you could drop a V8 in it. You could do whatever you want. But $6,800 takes this thing. I think it's perfect for a high schooler, somebody that just wants to get in the OBS game and not have to spend a fortune. Something that they can fix up. So yeah, contact us. This one we're calling Mojave because it looks like it was in the desert. $6,800 takes it. Don't sleep on it. It's gonna go.